An introduction to today's story. Another young woman caught in a painful and difficult situation that tests family ties, trust, and courage. Those closest to us can hurt us the most sometimes, and the truth is hard to believe. But if one stands up for themselves in saying what has hurt them, healing and hope can arise from the experience. So, let's walk together through Sarah's journey of fear, heartbreak, and eventually, the strength of truth and love. If you know anyone facing this challenge, then this story is for you. Stay with me and remember, you are never alone. The name is Sarah, 22 years old, and living in a small town. I'm a college student with my major in psychology. I stay with my elder brother, Michael. Our parents died in a house fire when I was 12. Michael has always been like a father to me, caring, strong, and protective. He lives and works as an engineer in the nearby city. Michael is an honest and hard-working man. Everyone in town respects him. He has a calm voice and hardly ever has to raise it. They say, Michael is a man of great character. Anna is Michael's wife. She teaches at my college. They met at some seminar and had a simple and loving wedding. Anna is so kind and easygoing, with this kind of wake-up-and-smile kind of persona. She treats me like her own sister, and I trust her totally. But lately, something felt off. Sometimes I catch her looking at me in a funny way that just makes me uncomfortable. I convince myself to shake off the feeling, but it lingers. While still studying in my room, my phone buzzed on one afternoon. A message came from Anna, and it read, "You looked stunning in class today. I can't stop thinking about you." I was stunned. Some kind of weird mistake, was it? I wouldn't reply. Other messages were soon to come. "Can we meet tonight?" "I know you feel this too, Sarah." My heart started racing, and fear gripped me. I kept quiet. Anna waited for me after my psychology lecture the next day. "You are special, Sarah," she whispered, and I walked away without a word. She sent flowers to my dorm later, and her visits around campus became more frequent. "You are beautiful and talented. Every moment with you feels magical. I want to be with you forever." Her messages read. I ran to the bathroom and cried. My heart was broken. Michael raised me with so much love. I owe everything to him. I could never hurt him or Anna, but I couldn't bear this feeling inside. Anna forced me to talk to her one day. "You will love me. I don't care if you're my sister's brother," she said. Her words made me feel sick. I felt broken and lost. One evening I decided that I must tell Michael everything. I was frightened, but could no longer keep hiding. I wanted to say, "Anna is not who you think she is. She's sending me these messages. She's making me scared." But seeing Michael's trusting face paused my tongue. He was happy, and he said, "Anna and I are trying for a baby. We're hopeful. We want to start a family soon." I restrained myself from saying a word. My hands trembled. My heart grew heavy. Michael loved Anna. He fully trusted her. I could never have taken his happiness away, so I kept silent and carried my pain alone. One night, while I was sitting and reading, there was a knock at my door. I opened the door, and it was Anna. "I came to see you," she whispered. "I love you, Sarah. You are beautiful. Please, come to me." My eyes went wide. I froze. My hands began shaking. "Out!" I screamed. She got closer and tried to touch my arm. I became louder. "Go away, or I will call the police." She immediately backed away, scared, and ran off. I locked the door and sank onto the floor, heart pounding. I cried all night. I knew I had to tell Michael again. In the morning, I stood at Michael's door and said, "Michael, please listen. Anna came last night. She said she loves me and tried to touch me." The expression on his face changed, and his eyes were filled with disbelief and anger. "You're jealous," he said. "You want to ruin our marriage." I shook my head as my tears flowed down. "No, I'm telling the truth. I stayed quiet for so long because I was scared." Michael shouted, "You're not my sister. You're lying." He slapped me hard. His eyes were full of hatred. "You're dead to me." I tried speaking, but no word came out. My heart broke. He turned and told me to get out of his house. I stood crying, whispering, "Michael, please." But he slammed the door. I was alone. The phone rang. My close friend Emily sounded angry. "What did you do, Sarah?" "Michael is heartbroken. Anna says you tried to break them apart." My heart stopped. Tears streamed down my cheeks. "He is lying," I said. "Anna sent the messages. She followed me. I did nothing wrong." Emily hung up before I could say anything else. Days passed. I remained silent and withdrawn in my room. I did not eat or attend classes. I cried at night. I felt so small and shattered. One morning, I looked in the mirror and questioned myself, did I do something wrong? But deep within, I knew I spoke the truth. One night, I wiped off my tears and said, "No more silence. I have proof." I printed every single message Anna sent, every "I want you" and "You are beautiful," and pictures of flowers she had left for me. The following day, I went to the office at college. "Please, I need help. Anna is lying. She is hurting Michael and me." "Look at this," I said. The staff took the papers as I handed them over and began silently reading them. After a pause, a woman said, "This is serious. We will investigate." 2 days later, they called me once again. "We believe you," they said. "Thank you for speaking up. You were brave." They called him too, and presented him with the evidence. At first, Michael was hardly able to speak. His hands trembled, and his face was pale white. "He said she was lying," Michael whispered. "He said she wanted him." Oh God, I was wrong. Michael now started to cry. "Sarah, I am so sorry. I didn't believe you. I hurt you." One night, he came to my room with red, tired eyes. He held the old bear that I used to cherish. "Please, forgive me. I was wrong. I blamed you." I started to cry too. We hugged. "You are not just my brother," I said. "You're like a father to me. I love you." We cried together. Anna was left by Michael, who filed for divorce from her. "You have no shame. You broke my trust and heart. I can never stay with someone like you," he said to her. Anna gave no reply. Michael's eyes turned teary again, but without glancing back, he turned and went away. Weeks passed on. Michael is now happy again while I feel at peace. We are stronger together. Sometimes, those whom we love can hurt us far more than anybody else. The pain cuts very deep. But truth will come out. You are not weak. You are not by yourself. Speak your truth, even if no one believes you at first. One day will set you free. If this scenario moves your heart, please share and like. Leave a comment below. What would you do if you were Michael? And keep subscribing for more stories of courage and hope.